Hey everyone, today we're testing the world of electric cargo bikes with the Cyrusher Glider, a fat-tired front suspension e-bike that can replace quick vehicle journeys and transport heavy cargoes. The Cyrusher Glider is a sturdy cargo bike with an aluminum frame that comes in orange, blue, or black. It is a heavy machine, weighing 41.5 kilograms, but that is to be anticipated considering that it can carry 200 kilograms of freight. If you're carrying heavy objects or children, the step-through frame design makes mounting and dismounting a breeze. Here, no clumsy leg swings. The assembly process was simple, even for a novice bike builder. Although they are an additional expense, the provided attachments increase versatility. Though I did observe a little seesaw effect when the bike is unweighted, something to keep in mind if you're carrying sensitive items, the double kickstand is essential for stability when loading and unloading. The Glider's 250 or 750 watt motor produces 80 Newton-meter of torque, which is sufficient to move large objects without feeling slow. With quick pedal help from the torque sensor, you get more power the harder you press. On level ground, this feels natural, but as the motor won't help beyond your pedaling input, climbing steep slopes may need more leg effort. Because of its wide handlebars and large tires that grip well on a variety of surfaces, the Glider feels stable and confident when driving. Strong stopping force is provided by the hydraulic disc brakes, which is crucial when transporting large loads. I don't mind that the motor is a little noisier than some of its rivals, because it helps warn onlookers. Although the actual range may vary depending on the weight, terrain, and aid level, the detachable battery claims to last up to 60 miles between charges. That's a crazy savings when compared to the cost of car fuel. The Cyrusher Glider is a strong contender in the budget-friendly cargo e-bike market. It's well-built, stable, and surprisingly fun to ride, though the torque sensor might feel limiting on steep hills. At $1,699, it's competitively priced, especially considering the potential savings over car ownership. Not only are electric cargo bikes like the Glider fun, but they're also practical car replacements. Studies show that cargo bikes can be faster than vans in cities, reducing emissions by 90% compared to diesel vans and 33% compared to electric vans. Consider the Glider carefully if you're searching for a car substitute for light deliveries, school runs, or errands. This bike attracts attention, so be prepared for some curious glances. Would you use a cargo e-bike instead of a car for travel? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.